Dairy Queen's Summer Blizzard menu includes 5 flavors, but I only bought 4 of them because there's no way I'm going to choke down another cotton candy blizzard. Before I try the first of 4 blizzards, I need to get prepared. First up is S'mores Blizzard. This has marshmallow chocolate bars and graham crackers mixed with soft serve. Looks pretty chocolatey. It's very graham cracker forward. After a while you taste the marshmallow. The chocolate is very, very subtle. I would not say this would be a chocolate lover's blizzard. S'mores Blizzard, very good. Next up is Reese's Caramel Pretzel Blizzard. This one has a lot of items inside of it. Peanuts, pretzel, and Reese's peanut butter cups. There's caramel swirls in here. This one looks absolutely fantastic. Not as good as I was hoping it to be, but that's because of the pretzel. If they got rid of the pretzel, if they just did Reese's peanut butter cups, peanuts, and caramel, this would be fantastic. The pretzel is giving it a bit of a softer consistency because the pretzel melts after being in the soft serve for a bit. And the pretzel doesn't have a huge flavor. Reese's Caramel Blizzard, I would actually say it's a fail. I would not order this. That's really unfortunate. It looks so delicious, but the taste is just not there. Caramel Fudge Cheesecake Blizzard. This has cheesecake pieces, salted caramel truffles, caramel mixed with soft serve. It's definitely not as chunky as the last one. I do see chocolate pieces. I do see some cheesecake pieces. Very caramelly. The salted caramel truffles actually ruin it a little bit. It doesn't taste that good, that chocolate. I mean, the base soft serve mixed with the cheesecake pieces and the caramel, that's fantastic. It's just when you get to those chocolate pieces, kind of ruins it a bit. If I was going to order this again, I would say, give me the caramel, give me the cheesecake mixed with the soft serve, but leave the salted chocolate truffles out. Choco Dipped Strawberry Blizzard. This is actually the one that I was most looking forward to. This is strawberry mixed with soft serve and what Dairy Queen calls Choco Chunks. Little bit disturbing that they call it Choco Chunks instead of just chocolate. I mean, it looks very strawberry, lots of Choco Chunks. Hit with that fantastic Dairy Queen strawberry immediately. That Dairy Queen strawberry, if you know, you know. It's so good. It's a thin chocolate. It's almost as if you were eating a chocolate dipped strawberry. Dairy Queen nailed this one big time. Choco Dipped Strawberry, Summer 2023 Blizzard winner. This is not the only time I've ever reviewed Dairy Queen Blizzards. I've also reviewed the Fall 22 menu and the Summer 2022 menu. Check out those reviews. I'll see you on the next one.